Listen, if you notice that your channel engagement has drastically reduced, the number of views you get on your channel has reduced, the number of likes, the number of comments, and maybe even the impression has also reduced, there is every possibility that your channel has been shadow banned. Now, I'm not saying that your channel has been, I just said there is every possibility that it has actually been shadow banned. But in this video, I will show you how to find out if your YouTube channel has actually been shadow banned or not. And we'll be needing three things to carry out this experiment. We'll be needing your channel link, that is the URL to your YouTube channel, the particular link I'll be dropping in the description box, and then your browser. Sometimes shadow banning can resolve on their own. Other times it takes your own input to get it resolved. And the earlier you fix your shadow banning, the better for you and your channel. Because a shadow ban channel is not going anywhere. So now let's go into it.
So my loves, this is what you'll have to do now. Make sure data connection is on, and also make sure that you must have copied that link from the description box and pasted somewhere else. Once you copy the link, you come to your browser. Chrome browsers are most preferred for this kind of experiments. Once you get your browser, you paste in that link that you've copied and then click on search. So this is what you're going to see. Now come to this place that is showing paste a video link, channel or video link. What you have to do, you go back to your app, your YouTube app, and copy your link. To get your browser link, you come to channel URL and copy it. Once you've copied this link to your YouTube channel, you go back to your browser. So you come and you put in your YouTube channel link. After putting in your YouTube channel link, you come here under there and put in the figure that they are showing you. So what we have here is 817. On your own end, they might give you a different number to impute. So I'll put in the 817 I have here and click on enter. Once I click on enter, I wait for it to fetch the information for me, the information that I will be needing to check if the channel is actually shadow banned or not. And here comes the information. Now, if you can see, this is my YouTube channel, Grow with Olive, my profile picture, my YouTube banner. Now, it is saying this channel monetization status is off because my channel is not yet monetized. The next thing, it is showing channel authenticity status. And now, they can't show me this till I get 900 subscribers. So if you already have 900 and above subscribers on your own end, what you'll be seeing is your channel has non-original content or original content. Keep watching. I'll explain this non-original content and original content, what it actually means. So you come down again, channel advertising status. Ads are not active on this channel because it is not yet monetized. Then apart from these two things you're seeing, every other single thing here is on green. So this channel is not having issues. This channel is good to go. It's not under any shadow ban. Now, if you want to know if you're shadow banned, this is a very simple thing to do, the easiest thing. Now, under this place, you're seeing channel advertising status, or even maybe under channel authenticity status, you'll see something like this. This YouTube channel is currently shadow banned and under surveillance. Once you see this, it shows that your YouTube channel is shadow banned. But if you don't get to see that particular thing on your screen, it means that your YouTube channel has not been shadow banned. So if you're experiencing low impression rates or low view rates or low anything, then it has nothing to do with this shadow banning. But maybe something else is wrong with the channel. Maybe your title, or maybe just the algorithm doing its own thing. But definitely has nothing to do with shadow banning. Now, in case you happen to find out that your channel is shadow banned, you have to scroll through and look for places that are red in color. In case you come across those places, find a way and fix it. If it has to do with your keywords or your tags, find a particular tag that is causing the issue and go to your channel settings and remove it. If it also has to do maybe with your region, some people don't normally put their channel location or country location, and it's a problem. Make sure that you've gone to your settings and imputed your country of residence so that that part too will be fixed. You do your part and allow YouTube to do the rest of the other things. So these are the things you have to do to check if your channel is shadow banned. In case your channel is shadow banned, like I said, scroll through and find the exact thing causing it. It will be marked red in color, just like what you're seeing on the screen right now. This person currently has over 16,000 subscribers, but the channel is not monetized simply because he or she, whoever owns the channel, must have violated YouTube community guidelines or something must have gone wrong. So that is why the channel monetization status is off. Because once your channel gets shadow banned, there are chances that YouTube will demonetize you. Even if it doesn't demonetize you, some of your videos you have to pay the price for shadow banning, and it's going to take a while to fix it. Now you can also do this for someone else's YouTube channel. You copy the person's link and paste it to check if that channel is under shadow banned by YouTube or if it's actually not. Okay, very simple, very reliable.
Sometimes shadow banning can be as a result of your own mistakes. Other times, it's not really your mistake, it's not really your fault, but an external fault. Whichever the case, there is always a way to fix shadow banning. I recommend you check out this particular video on how to check the cause of this shadow banning and how to fix them. So in case your channel is not shadow banned, other things might be responsible for your reduced engagement rates. So if you're new here, this is Grow with Olive, and in this channel I share with you guys tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to turn your passion into income. Do subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Do say subscribe. Okay.